Good morning, good afternoon or good evening everyone. In this video, I will talk about Association of Accounting Technicians of Sri Lanka AAT. About AAT Sri Lanka was started in December 1987 by Institute of Chartered Accountant Sri Lanka. This is the one and only institute in Sri Lanka to conduct accounting technicians level examinations. AAT Sri Lanka was admitted as the International Federation of Accountants and also admitted as the Confederation of Asian and Pacific Accountants. Then why we choose AAT? First one, developing basic skills, and it is very easy to follow, and also professional qualifications can be achieved during school period. In this case, if you complete AAT while following GC A level period, it is ensured that will get good results. Last one, it is very easy to select the professional career. Next, AAT Students Guide. It containing the curriculum, examinations, registration application and all the informations. You can be obtained a AAT Students Guide at AAT Head Office, branches or information centers by paying 100 rupees. After that, minimum qualifications for registration. If you have one of in this qualification, you can apply for the registration. GC O level 6 passes of Sri Lankan, or GC O level 5 passes of UK, or GC A level 2 passes of both Sri Lankan or UK, or 5 years experience as an accounts clerk or audit clerk or bookkeeper or accounts trainee in a recognized entities, or any other equivalent or higher qualifications acceptable to the governing council of AAT Sri Lanka. Then a special note about registration. If students awaiting for the GC O level result can register as while pending results. At the same time, if students pass at once GC O level with minimum 6 passes, can register as a students. If students currently following GC A level can also register as a student. Now we'll see submission documents. If you want to register as student of AAT Sri Lanka, you should send these documents with completed registration application: a photocopy of birth certificate, certified photocopy of educational certificates, customer copy of bank slip, 2 passport size colored photographs, 2 self-addressed envelopes with stamp affixed, self-addressed postcard with a stamp affixed. Then registration fees. Normal registration fee 3000. To school students only 2500. Late applications, late registration fee 3450. To school students only 2900. Registration fee can be paid to any branch of National Savings Bank or Hatton National Bank. After that, registration closing dates. A person can register as a student of AAT Sri Lanka at any time, but for particular January or July examinations, following closing dates are applicable: January examination before 31st July, July examination before 31st January. Late applications will be accepted up to a maximum 7 days after closing dates. One thing in your mind, should renew the students registration before 31st December of each year by paying 1250. Next, AAT curriculum. This curriculum will be in practice up to 2025. There are 3 levels and each level consists 4 subjects with business communication. We'll see one by one. Level 1, subject number 101, Financial Accounting, FAC. Subject number 102, Business Mathematics and Statistics, BMS. Subject number 103, Economics, ECN. Subject number 104, Business Environment, BEN. Level 2, subject number 201, Advanced Financial Accounting and Costing, AFC. Subject number 202, Information System in Digital Environment, ISD. Subject number 203, Business Law, BLA. Subject number 204, Business Management, BMA. Level 3, subject number 301, Financial Reporting, FAR. Subject number 302, Management Accounting and Finance, MAF. Subject number 303, Financial Controls and Audit, FAC. Subject number 304, Corporate and Personal Taxation, CPT. Subject number 310, Business Communication, BC. If you successfully completed 3 levels with business communication, you will become a past finalist. Then if you get 1 year practical training with people and leadership skills, you can get membership. We'll see examination method. Can appear for the exam of AAT Sri Lanka only if students registered in AAT Sri Lanka. These exams will be held in English, Tamil and Sinhala and each year in January and July. Students can complete all levels before appearing for their GCA level examination. Students who following or followed GCA level in commerce stream, they can complete in 1 year, otherwise the time period will be 1.5 years. Students can complete first 2 levels by passing each subject if needed, otherwise can also complete at once. Last one, examination fees. Level 1, 1300 per subject. Level 2, 1800 per subject. Level 3, 2000 per subject. Business communication, 1800. I think you all have a small problem. Some people says only English is worth, other mediums are not worth. Is it true? Is it correct? No, I never accept it. All mediums are same worth. It doesn't matter. Okay. See you again in my next video. Thank you.